All right, let's break down the quality blueprint for aviation pros, ISO 9001-2008.
First, why quality is key. Then, we'll dive into the framework, its structure, and how it all works.
Okay, so in aviation, the world is high stakes. The margin for error? Pretty much zero.
That's why a systematic approach to quality isn't just good business, it's an absolute must for safety.
So, this framework is called a Quality Management System, or QMS. Think of it as the architecture for safety.
And the blueprint for this whole framework, well, for aviation, the foundation is ISO 9001.
You know, it's the only standard in its family that actually allows an airline to get officially certified.
All right, let's look at how this blueprint is put together. It's built on a super logical set of clauses.
So the standard has 8 clauses in total, but they're really split into 2 different jobs.
Here's the split, and it's a big one. Clauses 1 through 3 are just the intro, kind of setting the stage.
But clauses 4 to 8, those are the core requirements, the stuff you absolutely must do for certification.
These cover everything from management's role to resources like crew training to the actual flight service itself.
So how do all these pieces work together? The secret sauce is something called the process approach.
Basically, the standard says you can't just see things as tasks. You got to see them as connected processes.
And what's a process? It's just any activity that turns inputs, like info, into outputs, like a service.
The whole system is a loop that starts and ends with the customer, right from their needs to their satisfaction.
So, the input is what the customer needs. For cabin services, think of a passenger's special meal request.
The process is how you make it happen, actually delivering that flight service and the right meal.
And the output? It's not just the meal itself, but how happy that passenger is. That's your quality measure.
That satisfaction data becomes crucial feedback. Management uses it to analyze and improve things for next time.
Okay, so why does all this matter for you in aviation management or cabin services? Let's get into it.
Because this is the system that keeps flights safe, service reliable, and ensures everyone knows exactly what to do. Really, this system is the backbone of safety and trust for the entire aerospace industry. No exaggeration. So, as you move forward, think about it. What's your role going to be in this critical system?